I'd recommend is Turtle Wax here. This is what the box looks like. You can get it at AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. I think Walmart as well. This is a lot better than my previous video, the 3M. You had to use a rotator. It just took forever. I kind of scratched a little bit of my paint doing that, and the steps were just too difficult. So I got that one done. So what I'm going to work on next is this one right here. You can clearly see the difference. Let's see. So you first want to start out with the clarifying compound. You can see the yellow that came out of the headlight. So I'm just going to use a fresh one here. And it's really simple. Make sure I shake it. I shook it before. I try to make this quick without having to edit. Put a fair amount on there. Rub it in kind of as hard as you can. See, the yellow's already coming out. Let's see. Put a good amount on there. I mean, you could use a buffer. I wouldn't recommend it. You don't need a buffer. Get the side. So the yellow's coming out fairly good. Most shops will charge you about $100 to do this when you can buy this kit for, I don't know, $10 I paid. So the first step was that. Get a clean towel here. See, it's fairly clean in some spots. Let's check the other one really quick. There's still a little. Yeah, okay, so it comes with these sandpapers. You got number 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm just gonna start with 3 because it's less of a coarse grit. Really doesn't need it, I don't think, but heck, you know what? We'll start with 2. Move on from there. Spray that up on there really well. So we're starting with 2, not 1. It's up to you. This will get all that other extra stuff out of there. Just rub it in there real nice. Get me a clean towel here. Wipe that off. So I started out with 3. So actually I started out with 2. So we're gonna go to 3. Spray this lubricant on there. You want to go the opposite direction when it comes to 3. Boys and girls at home, don't drop the sandpaper on the ground because that will lead to further damage. You don't want to do that. Basically, this is just getting all the ruckus out of there. Okay, very good. So I'm going to use the number 4 side. I'm guessing the number 4 might stand for 4,000 grit. Who knows? now with the 4, we'll go back across the opposite direction. I want to do a little crisscrossing. Actually, the guy filming, his name's Chris. Say hi, Chris. It's my brother filming. He's a little quiet today. Doesn't want to say hi to YouTube. It's okay. So as you're sanding, you can like feel all that grit come off. So after you use number 4 sandpaper, you want to go back, make sure it's all nice and dry. Set the sandpaper where it won't get all a bunch of stuff on it. And you want to come back. This is a clean one, I think. This is the one we used with all the screw. Let's just get another one. You want to use that compound. Just use it generously. You can probably do, on average with all this, I would say possibly 4 to 6 cars. Buff it in like I did the first step. Real good. This compound fills the gaps of that sandpaper, fills it in. Don't forget to get the sides. Improves your headlights at night, and it just makes your car look newer in a few easy steps. Very few steps. Screw it, let's get another paper towel here. Wipe her off.
Wow, look at that. Brand new headlight lens. I cannot believe it. How in the heck did you even figure this out in the first place?
Well, thanks to Turtle Wax, this is the one to get. The 5 stars is not lying. So, what it also comes with, the next steps, comes with, you want to put the glove on, and if I can get this out here for you guys, comes with these. So you want to do the sealing wipe. When you're done, put your glove on, get that sealing, because you want to seal it so it doesn't turn yellow again. So I highly recommend Turtle Wax, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And you can like it, don't like it, I really don't care, but you guys have a great day.